here at SEMA 2018 and got something a little different behind us. The Corruptt Mustang Ferrari swap. This is Tony Army here and the owner and builder of this car. What made you do this?
We just wanted to do something different. It's hard to reinvent the Mustang, and so we figured we'd take it in the opposite direction that anybody ever has.
Are any of the panels untouched on this car?
Realistically, I mean, the doors are fairly stock, I guess you'd say, short of obviously having the hidden shape. And the hood's got some minimal changes. It's been narrowed an inch, and the front lift's been shaved off of it. I would say that's the minimum panel modification on the car.
Okay.
Every panel has had some modification, most of them fairly drastic.
So one of the interesting things is you brought a Mustang to SEMA, and I mean that's a fairly typical car.
Correct.
So to make it stand out, you just went completely over the top in every single way. So give us a rundown of what's underneath making all this work.
So obviously it started with the bottom ends out of a 430. With that being a mid-engine car, I didn't want the tall manifold, so we used a California intake, which is direct injected. We found out the hard way, so we had to make it a wet manifold by adding rails and injector pumps to it. Converted a lot of the components to LS stuff. Just familiar with it. I knew I could make it run that way. And then we added a pair of Nelson T4 turbos to it as well.
So mirror image?
Yeah, of course.
Of course.
Yeah, that motor is, with the dual throttle bodies and everything, you can pretty much cut that thing down and it looks the same from side to side. It's very, very symmetrical.
That's awesome. And then transmission, backing that up?
It's got a Tremec 256.
Okay, so it's 6-speed manual.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, you gotta have a Ferrari with
And then what's out back?
Just Ford 9-inch.
Ford 9-inch.
Yeah, it's all ride tech suspension. So it's got yeah, it's got their shock waves that just coil over bags and 4-link in the back, all tubular suspension up front.
So have you put many miles on it? You probably just finished this thing. It's SEMA, I know how that goes. Has it been driven yet?
It has about a half mile.
A half mile. So it ran and drove into SEMA though.
Yeah, I pulled it out of the trailer, drove it in here. We drove up and down the street Saturday night before it went in the trailer Sunday morning. So it's the first time in 12 years it's ran.
That's awesome.
Been driven, I should say.
And I saw a video on Instagram, and you're controlling everything on the car from a tablet. So
correct.
What ECU and stuff are you using to make all that work?
So there's a system that's called Ride Controller. It's basically a Bluetooth relay system. So, and they come in 8-channel systems. We're running a 16-channel system, and with just wiring, obviously, and relay systems, we've been able to control every aspect of the car. So the car has no switches. That is the key. There's no key for the car. There's no any sorts of controls on the dash. It controls everything. It controls the air conditioning, the door pops, the windows, start, headlights, taillights, high beams, the ride control system. It does everything.
That's wild. So what was kind of the inspiration? Like you said last year you brought a 57 Chevy and nobody noticed it. So is that why you brought something so ridiculous to try to get attention?
More or less. I mean, like, the car's been sitting for 10 years, and kind of just staring at me saying, finish me, do something special. And, we have a couple bigger builds going on right now, and we knew that there was no way we'd have anything this year. This one was probably halfway there.